On this episode of Brick Play Go! Alright, let's do some practice around the cones. Coming in for the last approach! Ready for blast off! Wait, do we have everything? Yeah, of course, I packed it all.
Alright, let's go! Wait, I forgot the food!
Alright, bring the loader over here. Excellent, close it on up.
I can't believe I forgot the food!
Well, while we're at it, let's check the whole shuttle.
I'm gonna go check the booster.
How's everything look?
It looks excellent! Hey, you should check under the wings.
Everything looks good.
Alright, ready to go again. Tip me up, Frank.
Going up. I am so excited for this! Get ready for blast off, everyone! Oh, here it comes! This is awesome!
Preparing for landing! Alright, everybody, let's get out of this thing. Hey guys, where are you?
I'm here.
Me too. And I got my saw.
Isn't it cool?
Alright guys, let's get the food unloaded. Open up the hatch.
Stand back, I'm pushing the button. Whoa, that's a lot of gumballs. We're gonna need some help. Hey, thanks, Steve. Now take him over to the base. Alright, it looks like we're supposed to drill right about here.
Oh no, the drill broke!
No worries, I'll take care of it. All set. Hey, Steve! I think I found something! Open up the hatch and I'll get this thing inside. Go ahead and put the pipe right there. That's enough. Let's pack up. Wow, one just sitting out in the open. I can't believe it.
Where do you think it came from?
I don't know. What do you think we should do with it?
That's easy. We should take it back to the base.
What are they doing? I think they like our crystals. Are you sure? I don't know, but they might be hostile. Maybe they want to be friends. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Looks like the wheels popped off. You're gonna have to go get more.
All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm going back for the next. All right, you put them on.
Hooray!
Excellent. Now back to the base.
Uh-oh.
Looks like they left something behind. Yeah, we should take it back. One, two, three. Oh, another present. Let's tie it up. Everybody on three. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, I'm here to pick you up. Whoa, that was a smooth landing. Hey, I'm gonna dive the rover. I'm done, ready for blast off. All right, guys, here we go.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me on Brick Play Go. Make sure you like and subscribe, and join me again for the next episode.